Hi, I am Ajaz Sheikh from KK Arts, Commerce Science, Computer Science College, Kakasaheb Nagar. Let us see SY Computer Science, Microcontroller Architecture and Programming, Unit First, Basics of Microcontroller and Intel Architecture. With the help of reference 8051 microcontroller and embedded system using assembly and C by an author Mazidi. Microprocessor. What is microprocessor? Microprocessor is nothing but the CPU on a single integrated chip. It is a brain of computer or system. Microprocessor is a general purpose device, a special type of CPU. There are different types of examples of microprocessors. For example, 8086, 80286, 80386, 80486, Pentium processor. This microprocessor does not contain RAM, ROM, input-output port on chip. That is, to design a system or to work as a system, microprocessor must require RAM, ROM, input-output port externally. In compared to microcontroller, microcontroller is a special purpose device. Microcontroller consists inbuilt RAM, ROM, input-output ports, timers in a single chip. Hence, a microcontroller is also called microcontroller unit or MCU. Usually not as a powerful general purpose processor, but it is a special purpose processor. It consumes low power, it is small in size, low in cost. A lot of MCUs are applications specified as against the general purpose microprocessors. Generally, we can distinguish between the microcontroller and microprocessor. As we consider microprocessor, it does not consist on-chip RAM, ROM, input-output ports, ADCs, DACs, serial COM ports. All the required elements are connected externally to work as a system. In contrast to microcontroller has inbuilt CPU with RAM, ROM, input-output ports, timers, ADCs, and serial COM ports. So the microcontroller is a single chip which consists inbuilt RAM ROM. If you consider the block diagram of microcontroller and microprocessor, we see that the RAM, ROM, input output ports, timer, serial COM ports are externally connected to CPU with the help of data bus and address bus in a microprocessor, whereas in microcontroller all the things including CPU, RAM, ROM, input-output ports, timers, serial COM ports, all things are inbuilt in a single chip. It's a basic difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. A embedded system products uses a microprocessor or microcontroller to do one task and one task only. Embedded system can do only one task. There is only one application software that is typically burned into the ROM of embedded system. A PC is contrast with the embedded system can be used for a many numbers of applications in which it has RAM, memories and operating systems that loads varieties of applications in RAMs and lets the CPU runs them. The PC contains no or connected to the various embedded system or products. Each one peripherals has a microcontroller inside it that performs only one task. Hence, a microcontroller is called special purpose device because it works or it does only one task at a time. The applications of microcontrollers in embedded system. There are variety of applications. Out of them, in home applications, appliances, intercoms, telephones, security systems, garage door openers, answering machines, fax machines, home computers, TVs, cable TV tuner, VCR, camcorders, remote controller, video games, cellular phones, musical instruments, sewing machines, light control, paging, camera, pinball, toys, exercise equipments, etc. are the examples in home applications. Also, in office applications, telephone, computer, security systems, fax machines, microwave, copier, laser printer, color printer, paging are the examples of microcontroller based embedded systems. In automation or in automobiles, the trip computers, engine control, airbags, ABS, instrumentations, security systems, transmission control, entertainment, climate control, cellular phones, keyless entries are the examples of microcontroller based embedded systems. There are different types of microcontrollers are available in the market. Out of the 8-bit microcontrollers are Motorola's 6811, Intel's 8051, Zilog's Z8 and Microchip's PIC are the 8-bit microcontrollers available in the market. There are also 16-bit microcontrollers or 32-bit microcontrollers made by the various chips makers. The 8051 family has the largest number of multiple sources of suppliers, which includes Intel, Atmel, Philips or Signetics, AMD's, Infineon or Siemens, Mantra and Dallas Semiconductor or Maxim are the suppliers of 8051 family in a market. There are also some 16-bit or 32-bit microcontrollers are available of different manufacturers. We can see that Atmel, ARM, Intel has 8-bit 8XC42, MCS48, MCS51, MC252, 16-bit MCS96, MXX296, National Semiconductors COP8, Microchips 12-bit instruction PIC, 14-bit instruction PIC, PIC 16F84, also a 16-bit instruction PIC, NEC. Also the Motorola has 8-bit 68HC05, 68HC08, 688HC11. Also 16-bit microcontrollers are 68HC12, 68HC16. Also 32 bits microcontrollers are 683XX. Texas Instrument has TMS 370, MSP 430 and Xerox has Z8 and Z86E02 are the different examples of microcontroller manufacturers and their suppliers. The basics of microcontrollers. The Intel introduced 8051 referred as MCS51 in 1981. Microcontroller 8051 is a 8-bit processor. A CPU can work only on 8-bit of data at a time. That is, the internal architecture of microcontroller 8051 is 8-bit. It consists 128 byte of RAMs, 4 kilobytes of on-chip ROM, 2 timers, 1 serial ports, 4 input-output ports with 8-bit wide and 6 interrupt sources. As well, it has 16-bit address bus and 8-bit data bus. The 8051 becomes widely popular after allowing the other manufacturers to make a market any flavors of the 8051. but the remaining codes compatible. There are different 8051 families. We can compare the families of microcontrollers. The 8051 is a subset of 8052. The 8031 is a ramless of 8051. So Intel has 8051, 8052, 8031 microcontroller. We can compare the 8051, 8052 and 8031 on the basis of RAM, ROM, timers, input-output ports, serial COM ports and interrupt sources. Here we can see that the microcontroller 8051 and 8031 are the same. Microcontroller 8051 has 4 kilobyte on-chip ROM, whereas 8031 does not consist on-chip ROM. The comparison of the 8051 family members, the ROM type: 8031 no RAM, 80XX mask RAM, 87XX EEPROM, 89XS plus EEPROM. 89XS has 8951, 8952, 8953, 8955, 898252, 891051, 892051. Also, there are some examples of 8051 families: 8089C51 or 8089CLV51 or 8089S51. Here we see that 8089C51, 80 means Atmel, is a manufacturer, C is a technology, that is CMOS technology, and LV is a power consumption, that is low power. In such a way, we can compare the different 8051 families. Thank you for the watching my video. Thank you very much.